the data. After you know, giving us your own version, let Divine also tell us what she understood by what I said.
Okay, from this brief explanation you give, my
Okay.
understanding of who a data analyst is a person who gets information, like an already established information from an organization, then uses a trend, an available trend, goes by a trend in order to get an expected result, which will still be communicated back to the organization. It's just like using what is available to get a particular finding for better productivity. That's what I understand from what you just explained.
Okay, that's good. Can we hear from you, Divine? Hello.
Good evening. Oh,
Good evening.
okay. So, from what I understood as a data analyst, is to use take the raw data that you received and process it into an information, process it into a trend. So you receive the data set either in form of either in an Excel sheet or whatever thing that you want to. They are getting it in the form you are getting it. Then process it into the data analyst, cleaning it first because um, some data might have numbers mixed with alphabets, spaces, and all that. You clean it up according to what you said. Some might have spaces, have some hidden characters. So you clean it up and make sure they are all in the same mode, if I understood well. Then process it into a data set, then visualize it as you said. So the visualizing is um, thinking out or um, trying to get what this data can be used for. What are you trying to analyze? What are you trying to get with the data set that you have? Are you going to put it in a tabular form, or are you going to use it to what insights do you want to achieve with this? Then after the visualization, you put it into trends, as I said. So you use it to, uh, depending on what you want to use it for. If it is a data set from cars, from a healthcare, from whatever, so you can check from so time to so time. What do we have? How many males do we have here? How many females came? How many people came in sick? How many people were discharged? So this is there are so many things you can do with the data and the trends we are talking about. If I understood you well, and then probably use the data you have, what you have collected, to tell a story to say, okay, this and this and this is what I can, or what is achievable, what is attainable with what I've received, and then sending it back as a trend, as I said, not just the numbers or the Excel sheet that it was, using it to tell a story, using it to tell a trend or something. I think that was what you said. So that's what I understood. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. You all are correct. Okay, let me let me still share this.
Please, if you don't mind, I have a question.
Okay.
This visualizing, is there a formula used in getting the in plotting either the tabular form, the chart, or the graph. Because in order for you to get your findings, you have to visualize first. So is there a formula used in this visualizing?
Okay. Let me just share my screen and show you what, I don't know. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is what I mean by visualizing. Once, I don't know if you can see this smart logistics operation dashboard.
Yes.
Okay. So this is after working on the information you have. You now displayed it like this: total trucks, average, fuel. So it depends on the information the organization wanted to get. Some organization wanted to, know how, if is transport organization. So some wanted to know the usage of their fuel, like in a month, how much do they spend on fuel? How much did they, spend on gas, you know, per per hour, per how do they do this? Calculate their per mile. So they would like to determine how they make use of their expenses, to know if, okay, from this location to this location, from location A to location B, to know how much they are spending on the fuel or gas. Then from location A to location C, to determine if they are making any progress, gain, or if they are losing. Then from there, they will now know how they will now share the cost. Because if for transport people, maybe people that are doing selling, those that are dealing on goods, you know, that distributing it to other branches. So it's from the expenses, is from what they are doing. Maybe let me just do it like this: from location A now to B, maybe they are charging 1,000 naira. Let's just use this figure. Now, at the end of the month, the expenses they are having is more than the revenue entering. So it's from this they will now know, okay, if they can increase the charge of that location from 1,000 to 1,500 or to 2,000. So this is now the work of the data analyst, to examine those information and now tell them what to do. You get?
Okay, yes, I get.
Okay. Now, A data analyst has skills. They have skills. Now you will now ask, what are the skills of a data analyst? For a data analyst to make a good decision, one, he has to be analytical thinking, like he has to have the ability to solve problems using data. He has to pay attention to details. Every information, every details is important to a data analyst. He has to think critically, like logically. You will think from both the party A and party B. That's the work of a data analyst. You have to think critically. Then you should have these communication skills. After analyzing, after paying attention to details, after your logical thinking, you have to communicate that information so that the people you are giving, the management team or the audience that you are presenting the information to, they can understand what you are saying. Hope I'm still with you people.
Okay, yes. Just to recap, so I know I'm on the right track. You said what the skills a data analyst must
Yes,
have to make a good decision.
yes,
Be be analytical, be
yes,
detail oriented, be a
yes,
logical thinker, and have the ability to communicate effectively.
yes.
Okay.
So responsibilities of a data analyst. One is to collect and organize data, clean and validate the data, perform statistic analysis, like you will analyze the data statistically, build your reports and your dashboard.
Please, can you take it from the beginning again? I don't understand.
Okay, I said the responsibilities of a data analyst. He collects and organizes data, validates the data sets he has, statistically, and
Sorry, I
you
think
now
your
build
network
your
is
report.
breaking. Oh.
Okay,
Number one, collect and organize data.
data, yes,
Number two, clean and validate data.
yes.
Number three,
Analyze the data statistically. Then the fourth one, build your reports and your dashboards.
build report and what?
And dashboards.
Okay.
Yes, like what I showed earlier, the dashboard I showed earlier. Now, you will now ask, where can he work? A data analyst can work in any organization. He can work in banking and finance sector. He can work in
I'm
he
sorry
can work.
to take us back, please. Responsibility of a data analyst. I didn't get number three, please.
Okay, I said the number three one is he will analyze the data statistically. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Let's move to the other one.
Okay. Then build and build your reports and dashboards. That's the fourth one. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. Now go to where can a data analyst work? Which organization? And I said that a data analyst can work in any organization as far as the organization is legal. He can work in any organization. He can work in banking and finance. He can work in health sector. He can work in telecommunication. He can work in the government. He can work in education sector, marketing, technology, any sector a data analyst can work perfectly. Are we clear?
Yes, we are.
Okay. So I don't know if we have any question to ask because we will be ending the class very soon. This is the introduction part. So we'll be ending the class very soon. I don't know if you have any question to ask, you can ask. Are we still together?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I don't have any question. No, so far I'm clear on everything that you said.
Okay. I don't know if you have any divine.
No, I'm fine. I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. All right. You guys around for today. The next lecture will be communicated to you on WhatsApp. So good night, everyone.
Okay, good night. But the next class is it not supposed to be on Friday?
It's on Friday, 7 p.m. That's next class. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. That's
Oh,
the
okay.
next class. So we're meeting on Friday, 7 p.m.
All
Okay.
right. Thank you very much.
All
All
right
right.
then. Good
All
night.
right.
Have
Good
a
night.
wonderful
Good
night.
night. You too. Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Bye.
Good night.